This young team of engineers, programmers, and business developers is working on a completely new aircraft design. Their novel flying robot, Wingtra 1, combines the advantages of traditional airplanes and helicopters. Like an airplane, the wing generates lift in forward flights, allowing the Wingtra 1 to fly long distances and to carry payloads such as cameras or sensors. And like a helicopter, the Wingtra 1 can take off and land vertically without using a runway. The easy handling of the aerial robot allows untrained users to operate the device.
One thing where the V-Zurich really helps us is, for example, know-how and sparring with people that built companies before. As a young entrepreneur, you do many things that you do for the first time, and having access to somebody that did this before, that's really helpful.
Wingtra might eventually offer an efficient and cheap means of inspecting pipelines or high-voltage lines, and it might also be used to assess the growth of agricultural crops and monitor them for disease infestation. V-Zurich is supporting the Wingtra team as it seeks to bring this novel flying robot to the market.
Being ranked amongst the top 100 startups or winning awards like the Swiss Excellence Product Award helps a startup a lot in terms of visibility, and it also gives signals to potential investors that this is really a startup that has something that they can invest in.